Alright folks, welcome back to Phatkat Collections. Quick video sharing with you guys another air duster. These are awesome. Anytime a company reaches out, wants to send me one of these, I take them up on it. I use these all the time, whether it be for work, around the house, around the kitchen, dusting, whatever the case, they work fantastic. And these are basically, they call them electric canned air dusters. I'd say they're not quite like that. Canned air dusters, you're concentrating a lot of air through a very small orifice. I'm surprised a lot of these don't come with a very small orifice in order to like really kind of direct the air exactly where you want it, but they're not really meant to be exactly like a replacement for canned air, but they work great. Now, it's not a leaf blower, although you could definitely blow some leaves off like your deck with this as long as they're dry. There are limitations, but these are great. So this one's kind of unique compared to the other ones I have. A lot of the other ones are kind of like the same design, just with a different name on them. I don't know if they make these in different colors. I wish they made high visibility versions of this. I don't know why they all make these for the most part in black, because if you're in the field working somewhere, if you're in construction or anything, and you drop this, like you'll never find it. So I always like things that are like bright orange, shocking neon 80s colors, but very small gripe. It does come with 4 attachments plus the charging cord. It is a USB-C cord. I'm glad they are using that now. And then you have a power button on the back. You just basically press and hold to turn it on. You have status lights. You press it to cycle through the different settings. You have high, medium, low, and you have a trigger on the front. If you have it in the high setting, it's basically a trigger. You gotta press and hold the trigger in order for it to work. If you go into the medium or low setting, you can just press the trigger once and it stays in auto mode. I'm not sure why they did it like that, but I guess that's, I guess they figure, I don't really know what they figure. Press it again, you'll go into the low mode. And the low mode's kind of nice, honestly, if you're just doing something very light. Let's just say you were, cutting a piece of wood with a jigsaw. This would be kind of nice, just kind of leave on and put kind of near the area you're cutting and just blow off all the dust and sawdust. So I could see that being pretty useful. Most time I use these like in the high mode. Press and hold, do a little cleanup and you're good to go. Does come with the 4 different nozzles. This one is sort of like the shorter, stubby, I'd say it's like maybe a 1/2 inch opening. And then let me show you the box. There you go. Only thing I wish they would have done was include I wish these had like a nice little case. Not like a bag, like an actual little plastic case. I'm sure some of them do have that, but this is just nothing really to write home about. And then as far as the nozzles, you have the longer one, which is kind of very directional. I think this is the most directional. Then you have sort of the flat one, kind of dissipates the air outwards a little bit. And then of course, just a slightly longer than the stubby, like more directional one. Just, I don't know if you guys, I don't know how important this is. A lot of times I don't do like audio stuff on YouTube because it's hard to hear, but this is I'll just let you hear what this sounds like on high. That's the shorter one. We'll jump up to the medium, pretty similar. Go up to the wide blade. Definitely a lot louder with that since you're concentrating the air more of like a left and a right kind of pattern. This one's the loudest. Like super loud, almost like annoyingly loud. But it definitely concentrates the air in a very small orifice. For what I do, like this one is more than acceptable. Not overly loud. And like I said, I use this a lot just like to cool down in the summertime. If I'm on a job site doing something and I just need to cool down, it's great to just kind of blast yourself with air. They do make other versions, like I have the more of like the drill size, is a much larger orifice. And I would say, those are handy too, but I find myself using these the most for what I'm doing most of the time, whether it's just kind of like cleaning off a workbench or something, or like even dusting some like debris out of my floor mats in my car. I use these for everything. Around the house, a little bit of light dust if I don't feel like doing like the Windex and the Pledge and all that stuff. This kind of gives a quick light dusting. So they're really great. They're fantastic. And I think if you don't have one of these in your lineup of tools, your work bag, whatever, definitely get one. Even if you're not into any kind of trade or construction or anything like that, if you do any kind of woodworking at home, I mean, honestly, ladies, like you could even use this as like a hair dryer, you know? It's not heated, it would be like a cool mode, but I will tell you, like a lot of times when I'm like getting ready and I wash my hair and I want to dry it off, like I don't bust out the hair dryer. I use this because it puts out so much air. Like, yeah, it doesn't dry your hair like a heated one, but it definitely makes a difference. So just a fantastic product. I mean, ladies, you could have a hair dryer, a cool hair dryer in your purse. You know, put a little Louis Vuitton or you know, graphics on it, and there you go. So but all joking aside, great product, absolutely fantastic. Links in the description. Check it out, pick one up. Have a great day.